Paul O'Sullivan is no longer in the shadows. He's right here with us. We know about him, and he needed to appear at the ad hoc committee, but he couldn't because he ran away. He ran away to London. Hey, Kurt Matlala. Kurt Matlala is hardcore, man. A European guy has ran away. He literally ran away. And it's so bad because you know the ad hoc committee, everyone has been going to the ad hoc committee physically, testifying. But Paul O'Sullivan, he was like, no, I'm not going to do that. People are already dropping. And probably Paul O'Sullivan knows everything that has been happening because this guy is a forensic investigator. He knows every secret of every politician. He knows everything. So now he probably knows a lot about Kurt Matlala, and he was going to reveal files, and I bet you he got threats somehow, and he was like, nah, I'm not going to stand for this, and he ran away. So now he had to testify. So he had to testify via video call because, yeah, man, it's getting dangerous out here. If witnesses are passing away, Paul Sullivan has nothing that he can offer them that will save him at the moment. This just gives me the clue that, yo, man, what's going to happen with this case with Kurt Matlala? We have never seen it before because this guy has been in the shadows, making deals with Abo ANC, DA, everything was nice. He even had a retainer and all of that. And this guy was very secretive. And as I said, he's been hiding in the shadows. Even Zero Africa, Zero, right? He spoke about him a couple of months ago, and I was like, oh man, if this guy is such a big deal, it means, man, I cannot really even talk about him. But now, like, it just shows that he's only human as well, and he's capable of running away from people when things makshubile, right? Here is the video by Zero that he spoke about Paul Sullivan, but it's not the whole thing. It's just a clip on how mysterious this guy is.
And understand ukuthi you do not touch uPaul because technically uPaul does not exist. Understand ukuthi awuvele umsukele. Even ama political party thizeni decide to join azwane because of uPaul. uPaul waba convinced ukuthi the best way to control umuntu omnyama is to make sure ukuthi sisebenzisana nezitha.
So okay, if Paul O'Sullivan is allowed to testify while he's in London and witnesses we know that they're in danger, why isn't it that they're providing the same preferential treatment to other witnesses right now at the ad hoc committee? They just need to get them on video call. You don't